What's up, guys? We're going to check out the Terra Classic price and where it's headed in the next few days and weeks, as well as the staking, which is offering huge rewards, over 1,000% staking rewards for Terra Classic, and it's also taking billions off of the supply. So we're going to check all of that out. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. All right, so we have Terra Classic's price here. We were pumping hard for the last few days, but we're starting to consolidate a bit here at this level around 13, and good chance we could come down and test support here at about 11 before heading up further. But what we do want to see is we want to see us break above this support here or this resistance at 15. If we can break above that, then we should, and form a higher high than back here, then we should see a massive pump take place. Potentially this could happen in the next few weeks as people start buying in anticipation of the 1.2% burn, which will be implemented mid-September. So price should be super interesting to watch over the next few weeks. I'll keep you guys updated. Some people have voiced concern about Bitcoin dumping, and will that stop the Terra Classic pump? Well, we have been dumping for the past few weeks. Actually, Terra Classic has not cared. We've been pumping like crazy, even though Bitcoin has been dumping even the last few days. And we do have strong support here at 19,000 going back months. So good chance we could see a bounce there. Now, if we do break the support at 19, then we could see a massive dump, and that could really bring down the whole market. And then I think that would hamper or dampen Terra Classic's pump a bit if we did see that massive dump. But good chance we'll just see a bounce, as we do have support at 19,000. Hopefully that holds up. We'll see though. So that's the level to watch. And then real quick look at Lunatic's price here, up 36%. So in my last video, I was telling you guys that this down here, that this was a good time to buy, in my opinion. And so if you saw that video and you bought some, then congrats, you're up 36%. We'll see if this pump continues, or if, we still haven't really created a higher high, so I don't know. We could consolidate for a while longer before we see another one of these massive 10x pumps. But in my opinion, it's just, these are dollar cost average levels if you're interested in Lunatic's token. Of course, it's super risky, so you could make a lot of money or lose all your money, so be aware of that. All right, now what you're all really interested in is the staking. So check this out. Luna Classic staking rewards, 1,777% per year. So that is insane rewards. And already 251 billion have been staked. And so that's taken out of the circulating supply. So we've already, in about 2 days, we've taken out 250 billion out of the supply. So supply is going down fast. That's pretty sweet. It's not updated yet on CoinMarketCap, but this should say 6.3 instead of 6.5 once it is updated. And more people are going to continue staking, so it's going to just keep going down. So we'll see what that does to the price. Should be pretty interesting. But yeah, let's head over to Terra Station. So you can see here 3.66% of all Terra Classic have been staked now. So that shows 253 billion. That's what's staked. And this number has gone down a bit. The staking return is still showing about 1.5 million%, but the actual rate here is 1,700%, which is still insanely high. So yeah, last video I said, yeah, I don't think this is accurate. I'm sure it's really good, but it's not quite this high, and so this is what we're seeing. The actual staking still insanely good. And if we go over to daily, now this I think is accurate, 6% per day. That about adds up to what it should be, and yeah, 6% per day is some insane rewards. So in just a few weeks, you've basically doubled your money with staking, which is crazy. So if you, man, you can stake your tokens and you've doubled your money that fast. That's crazy. So that's why people are pretty pumped about this staking. Like, I know people who have already gained like over 1 million coins in rewards because they've staked quite a bit. So yeah, that's pretty sweet. All right, so if you do want to stake, you just go over on Terra Station. Well, first you got to send your coins to your Terra Station wallet. Then you come over, press stake here, and you got all these validators. So you're going to want to stake with one that has 0% commissions. So if we sort by voting power, you can see what most people are staking with. All nodes, Orion Money, Lunc DAO, Interstellar Lounge, BTC Secure. So most of these have 0%. Lunc DAO has 6%, but people like staking because they're all about burning Terra Classic, so people want to support that. But what I found out is Orion Money, in my opinion, is one of the best, if not the best. It has 0% commission, and you also super high uptime. And you also want to pay attention to the max here, because this max shows how much they can raise their commissions to, and it shows max daily change, so they can raise, validators can, or Orion in this example, can raise by 0.5% every day up to a max of 10%. And this is actually the smallest max that I've found is 10%. So that's why I like Orion. For another example, all nodes, which a ton of people are staking with, they can raise all the way up to 100%. And they can raise 1% per day. So yeah, if you stake with someone like all nodes, then you're going to want to keep an eye that they're not raising their commission super high. But that's why I like Orion Money. They only have a max of 10%, so you don't really got to worry. And also when you stake, you give them, these validators, voting power. So you want to stake with people who are going to vote yes on the proposals that you like. All right. So if you want more details on how to stake and everything and all the details, watch my last video where I go more in depth. But just a quick overview here. So yeah, you basically click on one and then you press delegate, and that's how you stake. Super easy. And then when you want to withdraw your rewards, you just click right here, bam, good to go. And then if you want to redelegate to another validator, it takes 21 days to do that. And then also, one thing to keep in mind, very important, is if you want to unstake your coins, you have to wait 21 days to do that. So if you're a short-term holder, then you probably don't want to stake, because if there's a huge pump and they're staked, you got to wait 21 days before you can unstake them, move them to an exchange, and then sell them. So keep that in mind. But if you're a long-term holder, then no problem. You can just stake, take advantage of these massive rewards, over 1,000% APR. So yeah, there you go. And I mean, go back to the daily, 6% per day. That's crazy. And 1,700% per year. So rewards are crazy. Let me know what you guys think of all this. Are you guys staking your coins? Have you been getting massive rewards already? Let us know in the comments. But otherwise, we have this staking is beautiful. The supply is going down. We have the 1.2% burn coming in September. So things are getting pretty sweet, pretty exciting. So yeah, like and subscribe if you found value in this video. Check out my last video if you want more details, and share this video. That way everyone can find out about Terra Classic and we can get this price going, pumping even harder. But yeah, thanks for watching till the very end, guys. You guys are awesome, and I'll see y'all later.